my God, are you kidding? Look how juicy that chicken is. Come with me because we're about to make one of the easiest, most delicious chicken dishes there is. My smothered chicken with mushrooms and onions. Let's get started. If you watched my last two videos and you saw my broccoli and cheese casserole and my no-fail crispy potato wedges, today I want to show you my smothered chicken that I made to go with those side dishes. So in my pan, I want to start with some extra virgin olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. I have some chicken breasts, boneless, skinless, that I seasoned with salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I'm going to add them to the pan as soon as the oil gets nice and hot. The way to tell that your extra virgin olive oil is ready for you to add your protein to is, one, if you see it start to shimmer on the top, that's a good indication that it's at temperature. Or if you hold your hand over the pan and you can't hold it there for more than 5 seconds. I can do that, so I know this is not ready yet. Can you see the oil starting to shimmer and pull away from the middle? Yeah, that's nice and hot, so we're ready to go. You hear that sizzle? That's exactly what you want to hear. And don't crowd the pan. You don't want the chicken to steam. So once you have some beautiful golden brown color on your chicken, you want to take it out and put it on a plate. And just set it aside for a minute. So now that the last of our chicken's done, I'm going to get it out of the pan and onto a plate. And I'm just going to let it hang out until we finish the rest of the dish. So there's plenty of oil still left in the pan. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in one medium onion that I sliced up pretty thin. Get that all coated in oil. And once the onion starts to release its juices, it's going to help lift up the beautiful flavor that we developed on the bottom of the pan. And then to that, I'm going to add in 1 pint of baby bella mushrooms that I sliced up. I'm just going to hit that with some salt and some pepper, and I'm going to help fuss that around. So once the onions and the mushrooms have cooked down for a few minutes and the onions start to get translucent, I'm going to grate in a clove of garlic. This is a jugunda clove of garlic, so I'm going to grate just one. If you have the smaller bulbs of garlic, grate in 4 or 5. Now we're just going to cook the garlic for maybe 30 to 45 seconds. At this point, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of flour, and we just want to make a little roux over the vegetables. So give that a toss, get all the oil and the flour combined, and then we just want to cook out the raw flour flavor for just about a minute or 2. Our flour is cooked down, so now I'm going to start adding in chicken stock, about 2 cups, which is half a box, slowly so that we don't get lumps. And look at that beautiful gravy it's making already. Now make sure that you scrape the bottom of your pan. We want all of that goodness off the bottom of the pan. That's flavor. So once our gravy comes to a boil and she's thickened up, I'm going to go in and add about a cup of heavy cream. Give that a mix. Get all those flavors combined and married together. I'm just going to hit it one more time with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Give it one last mix. Now I'm going to reduce the heat to low, and we want to nestle our chicken back in there. And make sure the chicken is covered in the gravy. Now make sure you get all the chicken juices that accumulated on the plate. Give that a little shake. Again, making sure all the chicken is submerged. And we're just going to simmer this for about 15 minutes or just until the chicken is cooked through. Look at this gorgeousness. Our smothered chicken is done, and oh my God, my house smells amazing. Let's plate it up and give it a taste. Oh, look at that. Let's get some of the mushrooms and the gravy and the onion. Oh yeah. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Oh my God, are you kidding? Look how juicy that chicken is. That is phenomenal. Oh my God. Guys, if you want the recipe to my smothered chicken, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Thanks so much for watching.